Hello friends, most of the people has asked me about the farmhouse, the culture of farmhouse. But today what I am going to show you the farmhouse which is exactly 90 kilometers from Hedipatnam. The land is totally developed area. See the houses, the big houses. In this particular land there are only the farmhouse culture and people are staying over here. It's not a farmhouse culture, it's already developed and people are staying over here. And here we got the land, this particular bit, this land is 582 square yard. Okay, if you come directly from this land, the third plot over right side, this land 582 square yard it is. Okay friends, and here it's not like that it's a farmhouse culture, but what you are seeing, people are staying over here. It's very high class community, it's a gated community. In this particular land is going to there, and the speciality of why I am showing you this particular land means this land does not come in 111 geo. It's a patta land, so on total land you can build up house, or part land you can build house and you can show as a greenery, or on total 582 land you can build up a big house. Whatever you want you can do it up with this particular land. Okay, so there is no 111 geo in this land, this is total patta land. Okay friends, and this particular land value is 80 lakh rupees, 80 lakh rupees this land is, friends. Okay, see the culture over here. The all constructions are going on and most of the construction has been done and people are staying over here. If you see that lane, the total land is line is developed and people are staying over here. So it's wonderful to have this particular kind of land, and it is by government norm, it is totally clear, it's not come under 111 geo, it's total patta land. The total colony does not come under 111 geo. As you are seeing all the houses, they are totally built 100%. Okay friends, thank you. And this total plot is under east facing, this site is east facing, 100% east facing site it is. Okay, from that corner bit to this, and from this to that last, we are seeing the total rectangle plot, it is east facing. As per Vastu, 100% it is very good. See the land over there, that is the main road. Come straight from the main road over here, take first left, and that car right side you will find that land. That is particularly the plot, that is our plot, that land plot. Okay, see this, the houses, see all our houses, and this is not used like in farmhouse. They are staying over here, all people, all big peoples are staying over here. This total land construction has started, and these nearly there are 23 houses which people are staying. Okay, so it's a luxury feel with the nature of life. It is very good, you will love the nature of this particular colony, right?